In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest to a Slack channel. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, let's head over to Slack. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and simply searching for Slack using Google or your choice of search engine. Once you've found the Slack website, proceed to log in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you will see a list of your workspaces. Select the workspace where you want to add a guest. If you frequently use multiple workspaces, be careful to choose the correct one. It's essential because each workspace is like its own mini network within Slack. Next, you have the option to use Slack in two ways. Either by clicking Open Slack, which will prompt the desktop application to launch, or you can continue using Slack within your browser. Both options will give you the same functionality, so choose whichever you're comfortable with. Now that you're in the appropriate workspace, the next step is to locate and click on the Invite People button. This is usually found in the sidebar. You'll want to keep an eye out for this option, as it's your gateway to bringing in new collaborators, especially those who are not currently part of your Slack workspace. With the invite window open, you should see a field where you can enter the guest's email address. Carefully type their address here. Double-check for any typos to ensure the invite reaches the correct person. After entering the email, move on to the next option. Here's an important point. When you see the Invite As section, you must select Guests from the available options. It's worth noting that this feature is available only if you're using a paid version of Slack. If you're not on a paid plan, the Guest Invite feature won't be accessible, so keep this in mind if you encounter any issues. Finally, once you've set everything up correctly and verified all the information, go ahead and click Send. Hitting this button will send out the invite, allowing your guest to join the designated channel. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide to adding a guest to a Slack channel. This capability is particularly beneficial for collaborating with individuals who might not be direct members of your team, such as freelancers or clients, ensuring that everyone stays in the loop and effective communication is maintained. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have your guest added in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating on Slack.